How to replace a broken hydraulic hose. Snowplow has a broken hydraulic hose. You can see it just spews oil out here. These quick connectors are seized on there, so I'll just kind of tap some of the rust loose. Start spinning them, pull back, spin, pull it back. Oil, I'm able to get it back a little bit. Eventually everything starts to move a little bit and we're off. We need to be able to spin out the old hose. Remove this snap ring. Use the snap ring pliers to spread it apart. Just kind of wiggle it off. Since the hose is so damaged, I'll go ahead and cut this. That way I can get a little more space to get these things loosened up. Cut, the snap ring is off. We'll remove the part. Need to remove the hose when we get the new one. Other side of the hydraulic line, we'll need to remove it. This hose right here. The other end is completely detached. I could break this free and just kind of spin it, or I could make it a little easier and just cut it so I'm not fighting with the hose. I'll cut the hose. Before I remove this hose, I'll tie a piece of rope or string to it so I can pull the new hose through. I'll back up this fitting with a wrench and break that fitting loose. It's starting to come loose. I'll unthread it. To make sure when we buy the new hose, we'll measure the length and the fittings. Connect this tube to the hose. Pull out the hose and we'll leave this in its place. The tube will mark where the hose goes when we get the new one. Be able to measure the length to make sure we get the right size. We'll remove that other fitting. We can measure everything now. The hose will be about 4 foot. The inside diameter is 1/4 inch. I'm working on this hose. It'd be nice to replace all of them. This one's old and brittle, the other one's are. A replacement hose on Amazon would be about 21 bucks. Install in reverse order.